Only 2 days in Vienna? No problem. Let's uncover the charm of this elegant city, packed with palaces, culture, and unforgettable sights. We're starting our first day right in the heart of Vienna with St. Stephen's Cathedral. This towering Gothic masterpiece isn't just a landmark, it's a symbol of the city's resilience and grandeur. As you approach, take a moment to admire the intricate stone carvings and the colorful roof tiles glistening in the sunlight. Once inside, the cathedral's towering columns and stained glass windows are nothing short of breathtaking. If you're up for a little adventure, climb the 343 steps of the South Tower. Yes, it's a workout, but the reward is worth it. Sweeping, panoramic views of Vienna's historic center. It's the perfect place to snap a photo and soak in the beauty of the city from above. Just a short stroll from here, we arrive at the Hofburg Palace, the former imperial residence of the Habsburg dynasty. This sprawling complex is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into centuries of Austrian history. As you wander through the grand courtyards, imagine the royalty that once called this place home. Don't miss a visit to the imperial apartments, where the opulence of the Habsburgs is on full display. The Sisi Museum, dedicated to the fascinating life of Empress Elizabeth, is also a must-see. Her life was filled with intrigue, romance, and mystery, and the exhibits bring her story to life. Now, let's head over to one of Vienna's most iconic institutions, the Vienna State Opera. This isn't just an opera house. It's the beating heart of Viennese culture. If you can catch a performance, you're in for a real treat. But if not, don't worry. The guided tour is just as exciting. You'll get a backstage peek at where all the magic happens, from the luxurious interiors to the orchestra pit. It's a behind-the-scenes look that makes you appreciate the grandeur of the opera house even more. Our next stop is Albertina, the ultimate destination for art lovers. This stunning museum holds an incredible collection of masterpieces, featuring works by Monet, Picasso, and many more. Even if you're not an art buff, it's worth visiting just for the views from the museum's terrace. Standing up there, you can see Vienna stretch out before you, a perfect blend of old and new. Make sure your camera or phone is ready, because you'll want to capture these moments. After soaking in some culture, let's take a leisurely walk over to the Vienna City Hall. This neo-Gothic building is an architectural gem with its tall spires and detailed facade. If you're lucky enough to visit in the evening, the building lights up in a spectacular display, casting a golden glow over the square below. It's a peaceful spot to sit back and enjoy a coffee from one of the nearby cafes. The surrounding park offers a little slice of tranquility amidst the city buzz. By the way, if you're enjoying this journey so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's talk about Day 2. Start your morning at the magnificent Belvedere Palace. This Baroque beauty is more than just a pretty face. Inside, it's home to one of the world's greatest collections of Austrian art, including Klimt's famous painting, The Kiss. Take your time wandering through the halls and admiring the art, but don't forget to explore the palace gardens too. These perfectly manicured lawns and fountains are the ideal place to slow down and enjoy the peaceful side of Vienna. A little further away is the Hundertwasser House, a quirky and colorful building that feels like something out of a dream. Its playful design is a stark contrast to the traditional architecture of Vienna, but that's what makes it so special. This apartment building, with its uneven floors and vibrant colors, was designed by artist Friedensreich Hundertwasser as a statement against conventional architecture. Take a moment to explore this area, snapping some fun photos, and maybe even visiting the nearby Hundertwasser Museum to learn more about the artist's unique vision. From here, we're jumping back into Vienna's royal history with a visit to Schönbrunn Palace. This was the Habsburgs' summer residence, and it's every bit as grand as you'd expect. The palace itself is filled with opulent rooms, each one more lavish than the last. But the real highlight? The gardens. You could easily spend hours wandering through the perfectly trimmed hedges, fountains, and flower beds. There's even a maze here, so if you're feeling adventurous, give it a try. As we near the end of our journey, let's finish with some fun at the Vienna Prater. This historic amusement park is home to the iconic Ferris wheel that has been spinning since 1897. Taking a ride offers stunning views of the city, especially as the sun begins to set. The park is also a nostalgic throwback to old-school fun, with carnival games, rides, and food stalls. It's the perfect way to wrap up your 2 days in Vienna on a high note. That's Vienna in 2 days. But don't worry, I've got lots more to show you. Just hit the screen and dive into my other videos. See you soon!